Looking to transform your garden into a sanctuary? Today we'll explore how cultivating a sanctuary-like garden can offer you a tranquil spot to unwind, commune with nature, and display your green thumb prowess. Stay tuned as we delve into the top 7 tips to help you create your own garden sanctuary. First off, planning is key. Reflect on your space's size, location, and sunlight exposure. It's crucial to choose plants and features that thrive in your garden's unique conditions. Remember, a well-planned garden is a stepping stone to a perfect sanctuary. Next, let's talk about plants. The heart of your garden sanctuary lies in the foliage you choose. Consider seasonal plants, factor in your local climate, and think about the maintenance involved. Remember, the right plants can make or break your garden sanctuary. Water features can bring a sense of tranquility to your garden. The gentle murmur of a fountain, the quiet splash of a pond, or the chirping of birds at a bird bath can create a peaceful ambiance and attract wildlife. A water feature can add that much-needed touch of serenity. Now, let's explore garden furniture and lighting. Comfortable furniture invites relaxation, while strategic lighting amplifies the ambience, making your garden a go-to spot for evening leisure. Both elements enhance usability, extending your living space outdoors. Furniture and lighting can drastically improve your garden's appeal. Lastly, personal touches and regular maintenance. Making your garden unique is as simple as adding birdhouses, wind chimes, or sculptures. Don't forget the importance of regular upkeep to ensure your garden always looks its best. With personal touches and regular care, your garden will truly feel like your sanctuary. And there you have it, the top 7 tips for creating a garden sanctuary. From planning your space to adding personal touches, each step brings you closer to a haven of joy and tranquility. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.